Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to print grid. To print grid in Inkscape, you need to show for grid on canvas. You can go to extension menu, click on render grid, and then click create tools. Will be show for grid dialog box, and in here I will check for live preview. This is for live preview. You also can change for the horizontal spacing and vertical spacing in here. This is for the line width, and then you can click apply to set into canvas, and then you can close. Now with this preview, you can click files and click print. Choose your printer, and then you can click print. So it will be automatically print this grid. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to print a grid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.